the 1950s and 60s, remote communities in Borneo were fighting malaria carrying mosquitoes, rats eating their grain, and a chain of problems caused by well-meant spraying of DDT. As the ecology tilted out of balance, rats surged. To help, the Royal Air Force organized what became known as Operation Cat Drop. Crates of live cats were flown in from elsewhere, then dropped by parachute to isolated villages to hunt the rats. Villagers watched as bewildered cats landed in the jungle, shook themselves off, and slowly got to work. It sounded like a cartoon, but it was a real attempt to fix one human-made problem with a very unusual airlift.